This is a lyre. Lyres, because of their shorter range, are usually in a key. This particular lyre is in the key of D, and my scale in this tuning is going to start on the second string. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. My low string is also going to be B, but an octave lower. We can use the notes we have to play simple melodies. This one has nylon strings and is tuned in the key of C. Starting in the second string, C, D, E, F, G, A, and low string A, octave lower. Typically the lyre is going to be more suited to playing harmony because we don't have a huge range to play complex melodies, but we do have enough notes to make chords out of. Now we can alternate between playing a little melody and a little harmony. Or we can block and strum, blocking off some notes we don't want, leaving the others open while we strum. The nylon strings is going to sound a little more like a ukulele when you do that, where the steel strings is going to sound a little more like an auto harp. Since the lyre is playing in scale, almost anything improvised is going to fit pretty nicely together. You can pluck a few strings away from your desired string to get a nice harmony as you improvise. This is just one of many tunings that we can use, but what's nice about this tuning is we can use that second string to give us more of a major backing, or the first string to give us more of a minor backing. As we improvise, we can alternate between those two to switch between that major and minor sound.